ArrowClean is really a technology that enables people to change the world. It gives facilities the power to produce a powerful disinfectant and all-purpose cleaner on site. And it was really founded because we wanted to get to the root cause of a lot of problems that we see in the world today. Plastics are choking our oceans, volatile organic compounds are making people suffer from allergies and asthma, and there's a lot of people getting sick with the cold, flu, COVID, all these illnesses that could be prevented if we were using more effective disinfectants. Our technology really helps facilities with all of these problems because they're now able to produce their own hypoallergenic products on site. They don't even have to mess with buying products anymore. With ArrowClean, they in essence become their own chemical manufacturer. They don't have to worry about taking in a shipment. They don't have to worry about invoicing, receiving, or throwing things away. They don't have to worry about protective gear for their employees because the solutions that come out of ArrowClean don't harm them.
I knew immediately that we had to have it in our facility. We have a lot of inbound vehicles here coming in for service. We have a lot of vehicles leaving the facility going back to customers, both of which expose our employees as well as our customers. We had just the place to install the system, very simple, and we've taken full advantage of the system.
The benefits of using ArrowClean are many. They range from the safety of the crew members that are working in the facility, the longevity of the equipment and the items that you're cleaning and using the disinfectant on because it doesn't affect it like other chemicals. There's a very big business driver in the way of cost savings. There's a huge benefit in environmental impact because we're eliminating all the carbon footprint of everything upstream.
It's smart, it's on location, it's on demand, and quite frankly, it brings it home to people. One of the things we want to try to do is make sure that we understand that there's a human connection at these facilities and at these operations. And people want to know that they're in a healthy, safe environment, but also they want to make their jobs better and more efficient. And that also is a key component, is the product and the technology makes their job a little easier.
And the best benefit is not having to rely on supply chain, having the capability in-house to produce enough product that we cannot possibly use it all.
The installation requires hanging a bracket on the wall similar to a television set. The main unit is then hung onto that bracket. The tanks are then hung onto the bracket as well and then plugged into the main unit, so it's a plug and play. Then we hook up the water to the system, fill it with salt, and that's all you need to do to use it.
What ArrowClean brings to you is a way to save money, but also save labor cost and time. I mean, time is the most valuable thing we have. When you're a facility operator and it's supposedly going to take a 20-minute turn to clean a part of that facility, if you can implement ArrowClean and it takes it from 20 minutes to 5 minutes, that's real money and that's real time savings.
It's great for a multitude of industries, so it could be hospitals, restaurants, car dealers, manufacturing facilities, schools, governments. So anyone that is cleaning anything, which should be everybody, would benefit from a system like this.
Our mission is to really give people the power to change the world. If you implement this technology in homes and in businesses, you get to the root cause of a lot of problems we have in the world today. We absolutely believe that every person makes a difference. If we all made this change, we would absolutely see the difference.